Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki is a popular personal finance and self-help book that explores the differences in mindset and financial strategies between two father figures in the author's life, his rich dad and his poor dad. Through a series of anecdotes and lessons, Kiyosaki imparts valuable financial wisdom, encouraging readers to rethink their approach to money and wealth building. Here's a summary of the key concepts from the book. The Tale of Two Dads. Kiyosaki contrasts the financial philosophies of his biological father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. Poor Dad advocates traditional values like job security, education, and living within one's means, while Rich Dad emphasizes financial education, entrepreneurship, and investing to achieve financial independence. The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki believes that formal education doesn't teach people about money. He argues that financial literacy is the key to financial success and independence. He encourages readers to educate themselves about money matters, including understanding assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and taxes. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of assets and liabilities. He defines assets as anything that puts money in your pocket, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, while liabilities are expenses that take money out of your pocket, like mortgages and car loans. He advises readers to focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income. The rat race. Kiyosaki describes the rat race as the cycle of working to pay bills and taxes without ever achieving financial independence. He encourages readers to break free from this cycle by increasing their passive income through investments. The importance of entrepreneurship. Rich Dad promotes entrepreneurship as a path to financial freedom. Kiyosaki suggests that starting a business or investing in real estate can be more profitable and provide greater control over one's financial future than relying solely on a traditional job. Mindset matters. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of developing a wealthy mindset. He encourages readers to overcome fear and take calculated risks in pursuit of financial success. He also advises against letting the fear of making mistakes hold you back. The role of taxes. Kiyosaki highlights the significance of understanding and legally minimizing taxes. He explains that the rich often use tax loopholes and structures to reduce their tax burden, while the middle class and poor tend to pay a higher percentage of their income in taxes. Assets that generate income. The author stresses the importance of acquiring income-generating assets such as rental properties, stocks, bonds, and businesses. He believes that these assets can provide a source of passive income, which can eventually replace the need for a traditional job. Financial intelligence. Kiyosaki encourages readers to continuously improve their financial intelligence by learning from successful individuals, seeking mentors, and gaining practical experience. He believes that this knowledge is essential for making informed financial decisions. The power of taking action. The book repeatedly emphasizes that taking action is crucial. Kiyosaki encourages readers to apply what they learn, even if it means making mistakes along the way. He believes that learning through experience is a valuable part of the journey to financial success. Investing in yourself. Kiyosaki recommends investing in personal development and self-improvement. He believes that developing skills, knowledge, and a strong work ethic is essential for achieving financial independence. Financial freedom. The ultimate goal in Kiyosaki's philosophy is achieving financial freedom, where passive income from assets covers all expenses, allowing individuals to pursue their passions and live life on their terms. In summary, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki offers a new perspective on financial success, emphasizing the importance of financial education, entrepreneurship, and investing in income-generating assets. It encourages readers to break free from the conventional wisdom of working for a paycheck and instead strive for financial independence through smart money management and strategic investments. The book's core message is that a shift in mindset and taking proactive steps can lead to a more financially secure and fulfilling life.